Hello friends. Friends, after detailed discussion about the life and contribution of Gurudev Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, we also discussed the poem, very affectionate and very thoughtful poem, This Dog, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Apart from that, friends, we have also practically seen the important video regarding how to attend forthcoming examination with the help of Google Forms. In that regard, both the videos about life and literature of Rabindranath Tagore and how to give examination with the help of Google Form. These two videos are available, or I have given both videos links in the description box of this video. So friends, watch all these very important three videos about examination on Google Form, about life and literature of Rabindranath Tagore, and detailed analysis of the poem This Dog. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss very important selected MCQs on the poem This Dog. Friends, all these MCQs are not only useful for UG and PG, but all these questions and answers are very useful for those who are preparing for various competitive examinations like NET, SET, or PET, or MPSC, UPSC, and various other examinations. So in that regard, let's see important MCQs on the poem This Dog as well as on life and literature of Rabindranath Tagore. This is the first MCQ. Who wrote the poem This Dog in Bengali language? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. William Blake, C. Rudyard Kipling, D. Raja Rao. Friends, very simple question and very simple answer, and this is the correct answer, A. Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, you feel that how simple questions, but I always tried to make all videos or all MCQs very easy and accessible for every student. This is next MCQ. Who is honored with the titles like Gurudev, Kavi Guru, and Vishwakavi from Indian literature? Options are A. R.K. Narayan, B. Raja Rao, C. A.K. Ramanujan, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, for all these questions, it's your duty that you have to read detail about contribution of Tagore. And this is the correct answer, D. Rabindranath Tagore, who is known as Gurudev, Kavi Guru, and Vishwakavi. Next MCQ. Which Tagore's book of poetry honored with the Nobel Prize of Literature in the year 1913? Friends, there can be one more question you have to prepare, that in which year Tagore got Nobel Prize of Literature. So there is answer in question. But options for this question are A. Gora, B. Gitanjali, C. Karna and Kunti, D. The Postmaster. Choose your answer, friends. And this is correct answer, B. Gitanjali. Gitanjali honored with Nobel Prize of Literature in 1913. Next MCQ. Who is the founder of the Vishwa Bharati University in West Bengal? Nowadays, or later on it becomes, actually it was Sriniketan, then Vishwa Bharati, and now it is Shantiniketan. Who is the founder? Options are A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sri Aurobindo, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Rajaram Mohan Roy. And the correct answer of this question is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Next MCQ. Who has transcreated the poem This Dog in English? Yes, friends. Actually, the poem This Dog is written in Bengali. Who transcreated? Options are A. Jitendranath Tagore, B. Sunita Jain, C. Kumud Bansal, D. Kumud Biswas. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer. D. Kumud Biswas. Next MCQ. Rabindranath Tagore's poem This Dog. Rabindranath Tagore's poem This Dog is taken from his collection of poetry. Options are A. Arogya, B. Gitanjali, C. Sonar Bangla, D. This Dog. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer. A. Arogya. The poem is taken. Actually, this is 14th poem of this Arogya. Next MCQ. Which famous poems in English literature are written about the courtesy of the animals in human life? Options are A. Thomas Gray's Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat, B. William Blake's Tiger, C. Tagore's This Dog, D. All of the above. Choose your answer, friends, and this is correct answer. D. All of the above. Yes, all these are famous poems written in English literature about the courtesy of the animals towards human beings. Next MCQ. What type of the dog mentioned by the poet in the poem This Dog? Options are A. The pet dog, B. The Italian dog, C. The stray dog, D. The Alsatian dog. Friends, choose your answer, and this is correct answer. C. The stray dog. Yes, poet writing about the affectionate relationship between the stray dog and poet himself. Next MCQ. When the dog regularly sits near to the poet. When the dog regularly sits near to the poet in the poem This Dog. Options are A. Morning, B. Afternoon, C. Evening, D. Night. And this is correct answer. A. Morning. Next MCQ. Who has the deep devotion towards his master in the poem This Dog? Options are A. The poet, B. The dog, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. The dog. Next MCQ. Who deserves the ultimate loyalty in the poem This Dog? Options are A. The master, B. The dog, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And this is correct answer. The master deserves loyalty. Next MCQ. The poem This Dog is about the relationship between nature and man, animal and nature, man and animal, D. None of the above. Friends, from A, B, C and D, choose your answer. And this is correct answer. C. Man and animal. Next MCQ. When Rabindranath Tagore was born? Options are A. May 7, 1864, B. May 7, 1862, C. May 7, 1863, D. May 7, 1861. And this is correct answer. D. May 7, 1861. Next MCQ. When Rabindranath Tagore was died? Options are A. August 7, 1942, B. August 7, 1943, C. August 7, 1941, D. August 7, 1945. Note down your answer, friends, and this is correct answer. August 7, 1941. Next MCQ. what the dog requires in the poem This Dog of Rabindranath Tagore. Options are A, the food, B, the touch, C, the shelter, D, all of the above. And this is correct answer. B, the touch. B, the touch. Next MCQ. Whose deep devotion is mentioned by Tagore in the poem This Dog? Options are A, the dog, B, the child, C, the man, D, the nature. And this is correct answer. The dog has a deep devotion mentioned in the poem This Dog. Next MCQ. Sorry friends, these are some selective MCQs. Now there can be some MCQs on the lines. Friends, I conclude this beautiful MCQ video with Grant Fairley's quote about the dog. If you want loyalty, get a dog. If you want loyalty and attention, get a smart dog. So friends, really all these animals are very great friends of all of us, and really we have a very deep, wholehearted respect for all these animals. Friends, all these videos regarding analysis of the poem Tagore and MCQs, it's your duty that you have to circulate among your friends. And really, from bottom of my heart, I pay thankful to everybody who or you are watching all my videos. Really friends, thank you very much. Thank you friends.